Understanding Fudge the Figures, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, fudge the figures. This phrase is a common idiom used in both business and everyday language. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and understanding, let's dive in. The phrase, fudge the figures, refers to the act of altering or manipulating data, statistics, or numbers in a way that is deceptive or dishonest. It's often used in contexts where someone is trying to make things seem better or worse than they actually are, usually for personal gain or to avoid negative consequences. The origin of fudge the figures is quite interesting. The word fudge, in this context, is believed to come from the 17th century and originally meant to fit together or adjust in a clumsy, makeshift, or dishonest way. Over time, it evolved to specifically refer to manipulating numbers or data. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, the accountant was caught trying to fudge the figures to hide the company's financial losses. 2. In everyday life, when measuring ingredients for a recipe, make sure not to fudge the figures. Accuracy is key. 3. In academic settings, students should avoid fudging the figures in their research, as it can lead to inaccurate and unethical results. There are several other phrases and words that have a similar meaning to fudge the figures. Some of these include cook the books, manipulate the data, alter the facts, doctor the numbers. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase fudge the figures and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, expanding your knowledge of idioms like this can greatly improve your fluency and comprehension of the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.